If you want your vehicle to go the distance, think 500,000 miles or more without a costly rebuild, then buckle up. Most engines don't give out because they're old. They fail because of bad advice or neglected maintenance. Those factory schedules? They're often designed to make cars seem low maintenance to boost sales, not to keep them running for decades. Some cars die at 100,000 miles, while others cruise past 500,000. The difference? Smart habits backed by real-world experience. In this guide, I'm sharing 17 proven habits to keep your car running strong for the long haul. Let's dive in. Habit 17. Change oil every 5,000 miles. Let's start with the lifeblood of your engine, oil. Forget the factory's 10,000-mile or once-a-year oil change recommendation. It's more about marketing than engine health. Extended intervals might save you a few bucks up front, but they're a recipe for sludge buildup, metal wear, and premature engine failure. Seasoned mechanics agree. For most cars, fresh oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is the sweet spot. If you drive short distances, idle in traffic, or live in hot, dusty climates, lean toward 3,000 miles. Dirty oil doesn't just look bad, it grinds your engine's insides, stressing components like timing chains, variable valve timing systems, and camshafts. By the time you hear a rattle or see a warning light, the damage is done. Always use the right oil for your car, synthetic for modern engines, conventional for older ones, and check your owner's manual for specifics. Pair it with a high-quality oil filter, preferably OEM, not some $2 knockoff that clogs fast. And don't skip the filter change, it's non-negotiable. Dark, gritty oil? Change it ASAP. Sticking to this habit is your first step to a 500,000-mile engine. Habit 16. Refresh transmission fluid regularly. Your transmission is a workhorse, but manufacturers often call their fluid lifetime to make the car seem hassle-free. Spoiler: there's no such thing as lifetime fluid. Over time, transmission fluid degrades, picking up metal particles and debris that wear down gears and clutches. By the time you feel slipping or rough shifts, you're already looking at a $4,000 plus repair bill. To avoid this, drain and refill your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, 90,000 for hybrids, but don't push it further. Never flush a neglected transmission. A simple drain and fill is safer. Always use the manufacturer's recommended fluid, Toyota WS for Toyotas, Honda ATF-DW1 for Hondas, and so on. Universal fluids might seem like a bargain, but they can cause slipping or overheating down the line. If your shifts feel off, don't wait. Refresh the fluid before your transmission gives up entirely. Habit 15. Flush coolant every 3 to 5 years. Coolant isn't a set it and forget it fluid. Over time, it turns acidic, eating away at your water pump, seals, and radiator. Neglect it, and you're risking corrosion that can clog your cooling system or, worse, blow a head gasket. I've seen engines ruined because owners skipped a $70 coolant flush, only to face thousands in repairs. Signs of trouble? Sweet-smelling fumes, white exhaust smoke, or a constantly low reservoir. Flush your coolant every 3 to 5 years, using only the manufacturer-specified type, red for red, blue for blue, no mixing, and definitely no universal coolant. Mixing types can turn your cooling system into a chemical mess. Pro tip: a clean coolant flush can drop engine temps by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit on hot days, keeping your engine happy and healthy. Habit 14. Replace timing belt early. Your owner's manual might say to replace the timing belt at 100,000 miles or 10 years, but that's cutting it too close. Timing belts wear out faster than you think, cracking from heat, oil leaks, or tension stress as early as 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Even low-mileage cars aren't safe. A 7-year-old belt with just 40,000 miles can snap without warning. When it does, your pistons and valves collide, and you're looking at a $4,000 plus repair. Get your belt inspected at 60,000 miles or during major services. If it's cracked, dry, or glossy, replace it immediately. While you're at it, swap the tensioner, idler pulley, and water pump. They wear out together, and skipping them just means more labor later. Don't wait for a squeak. Timing belts break silently, and when they do, your engine's done. Habit 13. Invest in quality spark plugs. Spark plugs are small but mighty. Worn plugs cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and even catalytic converter damage. I've seen $60 in bad plugs lead to $3,000 in repairs. Most 100,000-mile plugs start fading at 60,000 miles, especially in turbo or direct injection engines. Short trips, cheap gas, or stop-and-go driving make it worse. Stick to premium plugs. Enkei Iridium X for Japanese cars, Denso Iridium TT for hybrids, Bosch Double Iridium for European models, or OEM Motorcraft, AC Delco for Fords and GMs. Avoid copper plugs unless your car requires them, and never buy cheap no-name brands. Check plugs for oil or coolant residue. Wet or crusty tips signal bigger issues like leaks. Replace every 60,000 to 70,000 miles to keep your engine running smoothly and avoid costly damage. Habit 12. Swap out the fuel filter. Your fuel filter keeps dirt and debris out of your engine, but when it clogs, it starves your fuel pump and injectors. I've seen filters so dirty they look like they'd been dipped in mud, causing hesitation, misfires, or stalling. A clogged filter can kill your fuel pump or damage injectors, racking up repair bills fast. Replace your fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, sooner if you drive in dusty areas or use low-quality gas. Always use OEM or trusted brands like Bosch or Motorcraft. Cheap filters can disintegrate, especially with ethanol-blended fuel. Don't let a mechanic blow it out and call it good. Replace it. A clean filter ensures smooth power and protects your engine's fuel system. Habit 11. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid doesn't just help you stop, it's critical for a long-lasting car. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point and risking air bubbles during heavy braking. Fresh. 3 fluid boils at 401 degrees Fahrenheit, but with 3% moisture, that can drop to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, low enough to cause brake failure. A soft pedal or weak stopping power is a red flag. Test your fluid with a $20 brake fluid tester. If moisture levels are high, flush the system every 2 to 3 years using the exact type your car requires, 3, 4, or 5.1. Don't mix types, and don't skip this. Safe braking means a car that lasts, because a vehicle that can't stop won't make it to 500,000 miles. Habit 10. Maintain your differential and transfer case. Your differential and transfer case, in AWD, 4WD vehicles, take a beating, but they're often ignored until they fail. Gear oil in these components breaks down, collecting metal shavings and turning to sludge. A whining differential or a locked-up transfer case can cost thousands to replace. Check your manual for the right gear oil and change it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially if you tow or drive off-road. Warm up the car, remove the fill plug first, drain the old fluid, clean the magnetic drain plug, and refill with the exact spec oil until it drips out. Skipping this habit can leave you stranded with a hefty tow bill. Habit 9. Replace the PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve regulates engine pressure. A clogged or failed valve causes pressure buildup, blowing seals and burning oil. I've seen engines lose a quart every 1,000 miles because of a $10 part. No check engine light will warn you, just oil loss, smoke, or rough idling. Replace the PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. It's a cheap, 5-minute fix. Pull the old one out, pop in a new one, and check the hose for cracks. This small habit prevents major oil leaks and keeps your engine breathing easy. Habit 8. Clean the mass airflow, MAF, sensor. Your MAF sensor measures air entering the engine, but dirt or oil buildup throws off its readings, causing rough idling, poor fuel economy, or hesitation. Check engine codes like P0101 or P0104 are a clue, but don't rush to replace it. Cleaning is often enough. Unplug the sensor, spray it with CRC MAF sensor cleaner, nothing else, and let it air dry. Never touch the wires. Clean every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, especially if you use oiled air filters. A $10 clean can restore power and save fuel, keeping your engine running like new. Habit 7. Align tires every 10,000 miles. Misaligned tires wear unevenly, hurt fuel economy, and stress your suspension. Factory manuals might suggest alignments every 12,000 miles or more, but that's too late. Check alignment every 6,000 to 10,000 miles, especially after hitting potholes or driving on rough roads. Signs include uneven tire wear, a crooked steering wheel, or pulling to one side. A proper alignment requires professional equipment, so skip the DIY. It's not cheap, but it's less than replacing tires or suspension parts prematurely. Keep your tires aligned, and they'll last longer, saving you money and keeping your car on the road. Habit 6. Don't rev a cold engine. Revving a cold engine is like running a marathon without stretching, it causes damage. Cold oil is thick and slow to circulate, so high RPMs mean metal-on-metal contact, wearing out pistons, bearings, and turbos. Forget the myth that revving warms the engine faster. Start the car, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds to build oil pressure, then drive gently under 3,000 RPM until the engine warms up. Turbocharged cars need extra care. Cold oil and boost are a bad mix. This habit extends engine life by years, especially for performance vehicles. Habit 5. Minimize idling. Idling seems harmless, but it's quietly killing your engine. Low oil pressure during idling starves critical components like cams and lifters, while unburnt fuel builds carbon in direct injection engines. Long idling sessions, think warming up in winter, or running the AC while parked, can lead to costly repairs like $1,200 intake cleanings. Start the engine, wait 45 to 60 seconds, then drive gently to warm it up. Avoid remote start idling marathons. Less idling means less wear, cleaner combustion, and a longer-lasting engine. Habit 4. Wash the undercarriage. Rust is a silent car killer, especially in snowy or coastal areas. Salt, mud, and sand trap moisture, corroding brake lines, fuel lines, and frame rails. I've seen cars look spotless on top but rot apart underneath, with subframes snapping from neglect. Wash your undercarriage monthly in winter or after driving on salty roads. Use a high-pressure wash to hit the frame. And wheel wells, drive-through car washes won't cut it. Regular cleaning prevents corrosion, ensuring your car's structure lasts as long as its engine. Habit 3. Keep battery terminals clean. Corrosion on battery terminals isn't just ugly, it blocks current, strains the alternator, and causes electrical issues. Hot weather, short trips, or humid climates accelerate buildup. A car that won't start might have a good battery but crusty terminals. Check terminals every few months. Clean with a baking soda and water mix, scrub with a toothbrush, rinse, and dry. Apply dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Clean terminals ensure reliable starts and protect your electrical system. Habit 2. Listen for warning sounds. Your car talks to you through sounds, don't ignore them. A squeal when braking could mean worn pads or a warped rotor, $300 to $600 fix. Clicking when turning. That's likely a failing CV joint, $400 to $900. Engine knocking? It could be timing issues or worse, costing thousands. Drive with the radio off occasionally and listen. A healthy car runs smoothly. Catch noises early, and you'll save on repairs. Ignoring them turns small problems into deal breakers that stop your 500,000-mile journey. Habit 1. Keep a maintenance log. Memory isn't enough to track your car's upkeep. A maintenance log, whether a notebook or an app like Carfax, Drivo, or Simply Auto, ensures you never miss an oil change, belt replacement, or fluid flush. Logging every service helps spot patterns, proves warranty claims, and boosts resale value. A forgotten service can lead to a skipped belt or fluid, turning a $50 fix into a $1,200 repair. Track dates, parts, and mileage diligently, and your car will reward you with reliability for decades. Final thoughts: follow these 17 habits, and your car won't just survive, it'll thrive, hitting 500,000 miles without major repairs. From oil changes to listening for odd noises, every step builds toward a vehicle that runs like it just left the showroom. Want more tips to keep your engine feeling brand new? Check out my next video for a deep dive into restoring power and efficiency. Your car, and your wallet, will thank you.